Hey everyone, this is Kevin T. Rodriguez, film critic of iCritic.net. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your time here with me today on my media channel. And today we are going to be unboxing The Fugitive. This is the 30th anniversary release of The Fugitive. Oscar-winning film. Tommy Lee Jones won an Oscar for Best Supporting Actor in this movie. And believe it or not, this movie was nominated for Best Picture. That's how good this action movie was. It was a Best Picture nominee with, I believe, 7 nominations. Now, why didn't it win? Well, because it was up against Schindler's List, and yeah, who's going to argue with that one? I sure as heck am not. This is part of Warner Brothers' 100-year celebration, celebrating every story, which they did a pretty poor job at. I mean, they were going through a merger and everything, but yeah, I think they could have done more with this lineup. But hey, we got The Fugitive at least, and so the cover is a custom-made cover. For the record, this image in the corner here, this was the movie poster. Of course, it was bigger originally, but now it's relegated to the corner, and then they've got screenshots of Harrison Ford and Tommy Lee Jones. So I don't know why they did it that way, but there you go. On the back, they have some screenshots of the movie. They, of course, don't advertise that it won any Academy Awards. Oh, I guess they say Academy Award winner. They put like a little note there, and of course, if you go down somewhere down there, it will say, oh, he won for The Fugitive, and it's like, well, why don't you just tell us that? But anyway, so let's take this off. Now, once you take the cover off, there's no 100 years of Warner Brothers. That's just for the cardboard cover, I suppose. Don't know why, but there you have it. So let's open this disc. Let's see what's on the inside. We'll probably just get like a blank disc and things like that, because you know, this disc artwork and stuff that you used to get for DVDs has become far less common. So let's open this, and oh, gotta take the digital code. If you see that, don't try to redeem it. You won't do it. And there it is. Just the one disc for The Fugitive. It's an HDR disc, so that's kind of cool. No rating, no runtime, no year. Of course. Oh wait, it's all down there. Okay, I guess they at least put that there. All right, and let's put this back. This was a pretty straightforward and easy one. And that is The Fugitive on 4K Ultra HD. Now, have any of you seen this in 4K? Do you have this release? If you do, what do you think about it? I'd love to know. Comment below, like, favorite, share, subscribe, and I'll see you at the movies.